Hello and welcome to this video on how to become a data scientist. In today's digital age, data is king, and companies across the world are leveraging data to gain a competitive advantage. The field of data science is exploding, with a high demand for skilled professionals. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to becoming a data scientist, including the skills you need, the education you should pursue, and how to land your first job. Skills needed to become a data scientist. To become a data scientist, you need a combination of technical and soft skills. Technical skills include programming languages like Python, R, and SQL, as well as data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI. You'll also need to have a strong foundation in statistics, machine learning, and data analysis. Soft skills, on the other hand, include critical thinking, problem solving, and effective communication. Education to become a data scientist. The education you need to become a data scientist can vary, but most employers require at least a bachelor's degree in a related field like computer science, statistics, or mathematics. A master's degree or PhD can help you stand out in the field and can give you an advantage when applying for jobs. You can also pursue online courses and certifications in programming languages, data analysis, and machine learning to build your skills. Building your portfolio. To stand out as a data scientist, you need to have a strong portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. You can build a portfolio by working on personal projects, participating in data science competitions, contributing to open source projects, or freelancing. Your portfolio should showcase your ability to collect and analyze data, develop models, and communicate your findings to stakeholders. Landing your first job as a data scientist. Landing your first job as a data scientist can be challenging, but there are steps you can take to increase your chances of success. Start by networking with professionals in the field and attending industry events. You can also search for job openings on job boards, company websites, and LinkedIn. When applying for jobs, make sure your resume and cover letter highlight your skills and experience as a data scientist. In conclusion, becoming a data scientist requires a combination of technical and soft skills, as well as the right education and experience. By building a strong portfolio, networking with professionals in the field, and applying for relevant job openings, you can successfully launch your career as a data scientist. Thank you for watching this video on how to become a data scientist, and we wish you the best of luck in your journey.